the most important questions ever asked in the world is, can paper really beat rock? And today we're going to find out if paper can beat the rock. So for this test, you need paper, and I've actually got the rock in here. The rock. His name's Michael, and we're going to see if paper really beats rock. Because in rock, paper, scissors, if someone picks a rock and then someone picks paper, the paper goes around the rock. Like that. And then but then, the rock can still go there. He can still throw me, he can knock me out. So then if someone picks up this rock and like that, it still hurts a bit. So, it doesn't stop the rock from being able to hurt you. So that's 1 point for the rock. But if the paper is wrapped tightly, what am I doing? Anyway, if the paper is wrapped tightly around the rock as possible, as tight as possible, then it's really it literally bounces on the bed. Oh. Yeah. So it's still quite strong, but it can't really get out, can it? The rock's like, I'm starting to rethink this video. It's a miracle if it's on YouTube. So yeah. So the rock. So Michael. They've both got 1 point. The paper and Michael. Let's call the paper Leslie. But now, when you're in rock, paper, scissors, the rock's there. It's trying to get around it, but the rock's the paper, like trying to get in it, but it's like it's just going through it and stuff. And then the rock escapes, and then the rock can just fly away. But then the paper tries to jump, and it just goes here. So then the rock's got away. So 2 points for the rock, 1 point for the paper. Well, Michael and Leslie, by the way. But then there's always the rock, the paper. The rock's just on the floor like that. But then the paper jumps in the sky, and if it's a windy day, it'll be flying. And then the rock will be running away, and it'll try and fly, but it'll just fall straight back down, and it'll scoop it up, the rock. And then the rock will be like on the paper, like in the sky, and then it'll jump down and it'll just go, ugh, and ugh. Paper 2 points. Leslie's got 2 points. Michael's got 2 points. Okay, and the next point, the paper's just here, but then if the rock's flying at the paper at a terrific speed, and it just goes straight through the middle. So if the rock's like being like thrown so far, then it just goes right through the middle of the paper. And then there's a big hole in the paper. And that's another point to the rock. And so that means the rock has won. Does paper really beat rock? No, it doesn't. Bye.